Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. So, students, today we are going to do English. And in English, which chapter were we doing? We were doing chapter number 11. And name of chapter number 11 is Why Third. In the last class, we have done some word meanings of this chapter number 11, Why Third. And in today's class, we are going to do past present of this chapter. So students, let's start. Our first word is here. Our first word is here मतलब सुनना. And past tense of here is heard. Heard मतलब सुना. Next word is become. Become. And past tense of become is became. Come, came. Next word is speak. 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 मतलब बोलना. Speak. And past tense of speak is spoke. 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 Next word is lead. Lead. Lead करना मतलब क्या होता है? लीड मतलब सबको लीड करना. जैसे कि एक क्लास का जो कैप्टन होता है वो सबको लीड करता है. किसी भी टीम का कोई कैप्टन है वो सबको लीड करेगा, वो सबको बताएगा कि क्या हमें अब क्या करना है. सो लीड. लीड. और लीड करने वाले को हम क्या कहते हैं? लीडर. लीडर. सो लीड. एंड past tense of lead is led. 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 Next word is go. Go मतलब जाना. Go. Past tense of go is went. Went. Went मतलब गया. Went. Next word is walk. Walk. Walk मतलब चलना. And past tense of walk is walked. You will add ed. Walk ed. Walked मतलब चला. Walk. Walked. Now next word is travel. travel. T-r-a-v-e-l. Travel. Travel मतलब सफर करना. And past tense of travel is traveled. Traveled. T-r-a-v-e-l. Travel. L-a-d. Traveled. Now your next word is want. Want. Want मतलब चाहना. And past tense of want is wanted. Wanted मतलब चाहा, या फिर आप कह सकते हैं चाहता था या फिर चाहती थी. Wanted. Next word is meet. Meet. Eat. Meet मतलब मिलना. मिलना. And past tense of meet is met. Met मतलब मिला. met. Met. Now your last word is fight. Fight मतलब लड़ना. Fight. And past tense of fight is fought. Fought मतलब लड़ा. So students, you have to write these past present in your English notebook. Your handwriting should be very good and you have to learn it as well. So students, stay at your home and stay safe. Thank you.